Welcome to the third episode of Qapsule. Let's consume, learn, and excel, a digital series dedicated to enrich your understanding of quality at Tata Steel. Today we will talk about customer specific requirements. Customer specific requirements or CSR are one of the most talked about topics, yet confused with customer requirements in automotive QMS. Let's understand both one by one. Customer requirements are all requirements related to product or order specified by the customer, maybe technical, commercial, or general terms and conditions. It may also include customer specific requirements. On the other hand, customer specific requirements are quality management system requirements, which are in addition to product requirements or automotive QMS requirements. These are specified by individual customers. They are subset of the overall customer requirements, and the supplier is expected to be audited for them. Let's understand with few examples. Automotive QMS standard requires a documented change management process to control and react to changes that impact product realization. Now, if in addition to it, a strict customer wants its supplier to classify changes according to its own classification system, such a requirement is specific to one customer and additional to QMS or product requirements. Hence, it will be a customer specific requirement or CSR. Taking one more example, in automotive QMS, it requires an organization to conduct internal audits at planned intervals. A customer might want to end this uncertainty about the intervals and hence comes up with its own requirement that supplier should conduct internal audit at least twice a year, with each audit covering all their departments. This requirement is also specific to an individual customer and in addition to QMS requirement. Hence, it will be called as customer specific requirement or CSR. Now that we know that CSRs are specific to an individual customer, let us understand who provides CSRs. As we are talking about CSRs, keeping in mind the automotive industry, the customers can either be OEMs, that is original equipment manufacturers like Maruti, Ford, BMW, Tata Motors, or a firm supplying to OEMs and shown as Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3 and so on. Now the question comes, why the customer specific requirements are so important? They are important for fulfillment of customers' need. Moreover, as part of IATF standards requirement, an organization is required to collect, document, implement and evaluate, that is audit for compliance, all CSRs from its automotive customers is an criteria for the certification. CSR can be collected from following sources: suppliers manual prepared by customer portal, directly asking the customer, purchase orders or contracts between customer and the organization. Details on CSR can be obtained from IATF website. So, who handles CSRs? From collection to evaluation. All these CSRs can be collected and documented by people involved in customer interactions. Of Tata Steel, they are Product Technology Group. A matrix may be created to indicate how CSR and IATF requirements are addressed in the organization's process. Once documented, these CSRs are to be implemented by respective entities who can fulfill these requirements. Implementation of these CSRs will then need to be checked for compliance by qualified internal auditors, external auditors or even by customers. I hope I have been able to add to your knowledge of customer specific requirements. If yes, can you answer what is major difference between customer requirement and customer specific requirements? Let us know in the comment box. Stay tuned for the upcoming episodes.